Hi, Tim Conti here, Cloud Collaboration Consultants. Thanks for joining today's quick video on unleashing the phone system capability in RingCentral. RingCentral is a Gartner Magic Quadrant leader, 6 years running. They're kind of the de facto leader in the space, and today's demo is to just go through one area of their technology, which is the phone system. So I'm currently logged in my app right now. I'm on my MacBook, and I'm logged into the RingCentral app. And first and foremost, I can just click a dialer and use any kind of wireless headset to make and receive calls from my computer. Right now, I'm using a Bluetooth, or excuse me, an AirPod from Apple. You could use any approved wireless device. You could plug in a good old-fashioned headset into your laptop, whatever you're most comfortable with. It'll work with the solution. From here, I can call anywhere in the country. Right now, this is outpulsing my direct dial, my DID number, which is your phone number. And this is how I call and make and receive calls. What's cool about this feature is I can actually change the outbound caller ID to a main number or an 800 number, any number that I have on my system. And all your numbers that you currently have today, we'll transfer them over to RingCentral. My team will help you do that. It's a relatively easy process. But what's cool here is if you'd like to have your end customers, partners, vendors see a different number besides your main number, this is where I can change that. So when they call back, they're going to be calling back my main company number and not necessarily my private extension. Okay. And then moving on here, you're going to have access to all of your calls, your missed calls, your call recordings, your voicemails are on here too. You can see here these voicemails, you can play them directly here. And they're also transcribed to text too, so you can actually read them. So you see here, as I scroll through, I don't have to play the voicemail. I can read them right here on my computer. All I do is click here and it drops down the actual recording. So you can see the caller ID, see who called here and what they're looking for. And then from there, I can actually click to dial these call these numbers right back. So that's included here. Another thing is faxes. No more analog traditional fax machine. You can use a computer to send and receive faxes from here. I can also text. Now, what's cool here is this is my business phone number, not my personal cell phone, and I can text to any number anywhere. So I've got some listed in here too. I can also share a picture. This is just me texting myself, but it kind of shows you the capability. So that's it for today's phone system feature functionality. One area too that we didn't cover on today's webinar is you get all of this capability that I just showed you on the computer. You get it on your mobile app too for your smartphone. So all this feature functionality you saw here is also available on your smartphone, not just your computer. So thanks for listening, and coming up next in the next video, I will cover another area of the RingCentral solution, which is messaging. Thanks.